Hello everyone and welcome to Saurabh Sir's classes. We'll do transportation problem, the second video of LPP. We'll start with matrix minimum method. Step 1 of this method, the basic aim is to find the minimum cost. Now so step 1 is to determine the smallest cost in the cost matrix. Let it be Cij and the allocated cell is equal to Xij. We allocate Xij, which contains the smallest cost matrix, as Cij by minimum of Ai or Bj. Step 2 is, if Xj is equal to Ai, cross off the ith row of the table and decrease Bj by Ai. If Xj Ai cross of the ith row. Step 3 is Xij is equal to Bj cross of the jth column and we need to change or decrease Ai by Bj as we did in the northwest corner rule, or this will be Xij. Now the step 4 is repeat step 1, 2 and 3 with the leftover rows and columns. This is step 1, this is step 2, this is step 3 and this is step 4. Please remember it, students. Now let us do a sum. This question says solve by matrix minimum method, and the given table is the values are 11, 13, 17, 14, 16, 18, 14, 10, 21, 24, 13 and 10. Supplies are 250, 300, 400, demands are 200, 225, 275 and 250. Now we find the minimum value of the cell in this matrix, and the minimum value is 10. Let us choose, we can choose any of the 10. Let us choose this 10. The demand is 250 and supply is 300. Hence we allocate the minimum of both, that is 250, and cross this column as this has been satisfied, and replace 300 by 50. Now the next minimum element after crossing that column is 11, and its demand is 200 whereas supply is 250. Hence we allocate the minimum value, that is 200, to this and cross this particular column. Similarly, this will be changed to 50, and the next minimum element is 13. Hence we see that the demand of this column is 225, whereas the supply to this cell is only 50. maximum. Hence we apply the allocation as 50 as this is the maximum and cross the first row. Similarly, proceeding with the same steps, we see that the allocation are as follows. This is 275. This becomes 50 and hence this becomes 125. Now the total cost is same as the northwest corner rule, base into allocation plus base into allocation plus base into allocation plus base into allocation plus base into allocation. That gives us a total of 11 into 200 plus 13 into 50 plus 18 into 50 plus 10 into 250 plus 24 into 125 plus 13 into 275, that gives us 12825. Hence this is the required answer.